Hey, good day guys, how we doing? So, today I'm gonna show you how to play piano on an Android phone, Galaxy Y Young S5360 or any Android phones, smartphones, or any brand of phones, cell phones. So, I am using the Assassin for the is my nickname, and just add me on Facebook, just search Gita Skills or Jason.com at go.com. So, this is the application, piano application which I downloaded from Android Market or any Google search browsers, search engines. So this is the Piano Perfect because it's so cool than any other piano software. So I'm gonna launch it. So it's loading. So just take a while, and so this is the application. So now to the sender of the request and how to play or how to download it. So this just search it Piano Perfect on Marketplace. Then click and place songs here. So now I'm gonna play some hits on piano. Okay. So this is. So as you can see, there's letters, numbers here. You can put this as guide. So I think its title is Mad by Neo, and love songs. And Nokia tune. And more stuffs like that. So that's it. That's how you play Android piano on your Android phone or any other phones that supports this application. So it's so cool, right? And so today you can send other questions or requests about this. So once again, I'm Jason as Assassin, and you can add me on Facebook or any social networking sites like Tag, Twitter, search yes, and Instagram, and Love Night, and Skype, just search jason.audio.com, Gmail, and other social networking applications, Yahoo Messenger, Skype, social networking sites, Tag, Skype, Facebook, Picasa, Rocket, and others. So, thanks for watching, guys. Peace out. Bye. Sayonara. For additional or parable, this software has a lot of settings. You can configure it, record, play, or plus built-in songs wherein you can practice or what this for beginners, for intermediates, and you can shift along scales like this. You can the notes is higher or maybe lower. So it's for additional, and once again, decent 7 meter. Good day, guys. We do have a good one. Bye.
Again. Isang pa, baby.
Oh, naka-play. This love kills. Or facebook.com/KPTskills. That's KITTYSKITTLES Skittles. Or facebook.com/KP.skills. Yes, guys. Or to my updated username, it's facebook.com/HinkoJason.